guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So I thought I would go ahead and unbox with you guys my first ever Ipsy Glam X box. This is a new subscription for me. I thought I would just give it a try. So I, for the most part, remember what I was getting. So this is like the BoxyCharm Luxe. So I get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 plus tax a month. But every so many months in the year, a Glam Bag X, which is an extra $25, I believe, or $30, somewhere around there. I know it's $55 and some change with tax and everything like that. So it does come with this really pretty box. I do love that, really pretty. So we're just going to dive in. It did come with a little pamphlet. It does say, and this was the Khloe Kardashian. That is one of the reasons that I decided to do it. So this is issue number 2, curated by Khloe Kardashian, the May 2021. It has everything that you're able to get, I guess, in this subscription. And then you just kind of have to find what you got. And I was really hoping to get the Charlotte Tilbury cream. But of course I did not. Those probably went to most of the influencers that get the box for free. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and pull things out, and I'll locate it wherever it is. And I think this is supposed to be like, I can't remember. I'll try to put the information, but I know the box is supposed to be like a really high amount. Go ahead and get started. So the first thing I see in here is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It is a full size. It retails for $16. It says, say goodbye to makeup that melts thanks to this iconic mist and sets liquids or powders with a radiant finish. I have had this before and I did enjoy it. I currently have the pink one, Jeffree Star, and the strawberry or something. So I may hang on to this for friend mail or giveaway. I don't think I will keep it. I have just too many setting sprays at the moment. And so yeah, I have tried it. I do enjoy it. The next thing that I see in here, I think that was an add-on. Yeah, those two are add-ons. It is the 3 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I believe I chose this, or they chose it for me. That is what the packaging looks like. Let me find this on the, I think it was on the first page. So it says here that this is Khloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water, niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. And that is what it looks like, a reflective packaging. All of their stuff is like that. I have quite a few products that I've tried from this brand. I really, really do enjoy them. I'm currently using a pimple serum or something like that, booster, that kind of helps with acne scarring and things like that. I really enjoy it. This retails for $135, so definitely will be keeping this. The next item is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. And I'm assuming this is not a full size. It says for oily combination skin, which I do not have. I believe I chose this, and it is in a 1 fluid ounce. I chose this because the other options weren't the best, in my opinion, like from what I was wanting. Let me look for it. I did not find it for some reason. It's not on this paper unless I'm just missing it. But let's see. It just says it's a pore purifying mask. Purifies pores, pretty much. So I may pass this to my daughter, or my husband and my daughter, because they both deal with like blackheads and pore issues and things like that. I don't know the retail value of that, unfortunately. I would try to look it up and put it down below for you guys. Another skincare item that I received is the Ole Hendrickson Truth Brightenings All Day Blurs and Primes Banana Bright Face Primer. It says here, creates a perfect canvas. It brightens, blurs, hydrates, and softens skin with vitamin C. So that is what it looks like. It is a 1 fluid ounce. And I'm not going to open it because it is sealed and I have too much skincare currently open, but I will be keeping that one. The next item is the COSUS Volumizing and Lash Care Mascara. And it feels pretty heavy. I do like a lot of the stuff from this brand that I have tried so far. It says here that it retails for $26. Oh, I did forget to tell you guys, the Ole Hendrickson primer, it retails for $38, which is pretty pricey. This retails for $26, the mascara. It says here that it is cruelty-free, gives lashes thickness, lift, and lengths with a blend, thanks to the blend of wax, vitamins, oil, and peptides in it. So that's super exciting. I definitely have enough open at the moment, so I will be keeping as well. Okay, moving on. We have a lipstick. It looks like it's a MAC lipstick. This is Love Me Bated Breath, I guess is what it's called. It retails for $21. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Look at that. I have a few MAC lipsticks, which I do enjoy. That is a really pretty shade. It's a little bit on the deeper side. It smells like vanilla, which all of theirs do. It says here that it is a dose of moisture thanks to the argan oil, coats lips in weightless, long-lasting pigments with a soft satin finish. Yeah, that's really pretty. It is a deeper color, so it's going to be more like a fall and winter color to most people. I mean, I'm the type of person that I'll wear any color any time of the year, but yeah, most people will want to wear this like in the winter and fall. But yeah, that's really pretty, keeping that. The next item is a skincare item. I believe I chose this one. This is the Sunday Riley. Let me see if I can find it. They had quite a few good products in here. Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil. It retails for $40. That is what it looks like. And it says here, Dark Spots Who, the fast absorbing oil is packed with cocktails of skin brighteners. So that's nice. I love Sunday Riley. Definitely keeping that. Don't need to open any new skincare right now, though I have way too much. Okay, this is the last item in my box. And then I have two add-ons that I did. Last item that I got in this specific box is the Modern Renaissance palette right there. You guys are probably all familiar with this palette. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. I already own it. So obviously I'm not going to keep this one. I'm either going to gift it to a friend or something. It does retail for $45. I'm not going to touch it or do anything like that, but it's a very, very beautiful palette. That is what it looks like. I already own it. Like I said, it is one of my absolute favorites. It has a lot of beautiful, beautiful shades. It says here that the range of neutrals to berries and matte and metallic finishes are easy to blend and highly pigmented. So yeah, that may go in a giveaway, a friend mail, something like that. I was really hoping that I got the Patrick because I don't own that one. But you know, it is what it is. Last two things that I did add on were $3 a piece. These are the Fara Brushes tweezers. It looks like it came with two maybe, because I was in need of some new tweezers and I saw, oh, this is no, it's not two, it's just super unique. So it has that big side there and then like the real thin side on that side. Can't see it. It's like the more, so that's really nice. I think these were $3, which wasn't bad. I know that even if you get like the Revlon ones or something at Walmart or Target, they can be up there for like 12, 15 bucks, something like that. So there's that. Our last add-on that I did was the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer. It looks like that. I believe this was $3, and it does remind me a lot of the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and that is why I decided to try it. I'm not going to use it Actually, it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it, but that is what it looks like. And yeah, it just reminded me of that. And I don't have a ton of primers because I'm still trying to get through that MAC Painterly paint pot, and it's taking forever. But I just thought I would pick that up. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 products, and I'm keeping 5 of them. So I don't think that was too bad. Overall, I think just the skincare alone, these items were definitely worth the box, because these 3 items here, I think this is 40, 38, and 100 and something. I forgot what it was. I'll put it down below. I think that was a great box for that. And again, I'm probably going to save this for a giveaway or friend mail. It does have a seal, so I'm not going to open that because I already have another one in a different scent, and I don't need that one. And then this one I'll probably pass to my husband and daughter, and I may even try it. I don't have combination skin, but they'll enjoy that for their pores. And then yeah, the mascara, I'm excited. The lipstick is super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and stick that right here now. Well, I'm pretty happy with it. That is everything that I got in this box. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. If you get this box as well, let me know if we got the same items or something different, or if you have a video, let me know that down below. I'd love to come over and watch it. If you did enjoy this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does really help my channel. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love for you to subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos from me. And if not, no worries. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. But this is going to complete this video for today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.